All right, well, you asked for it. Here comes the follow-up to the March 15th Giza press release where they revealed possible underground structures beneath the Khafre Pyramid. They went a lot deeper with the findings and even revealed possible sacred geometry or architectural encoding in the structures themselves. And again, because the mainstream media can't quite wrap their heads around this, I had to take the raw Italian transcript from the actual video and feed that into ChatGPT, where I basically just asked AI to translate, outline, and summarize the key findings. Here we go.
Here's a translated, outlined and summarized version of the March 16th, 2025 press conference, centered on new radar and archaeological findings at the Giza Plateau. Key findings. Summary. A historic first, over 900 attendees witnessed the first public reveal of game-changing findings from the project Kefren. 3 key researchers, Corrado Malanga, Filippo Biondi and Armando Mei, combined experimental archaeology, aerospace technology and non-invasive radar, SAR, to uncover previously unknown internal structures in the Khafre Pyramid and beneath the Giza Plateau. Main points and discoveries. 1. Radar breakthroughs. SAR, synthetic aperture radar. This space-based radar scanned beneath the Giza Plateau. It penetrates solid stone, revealing voids, chambers, and unknown architectural features. Findings match historical theories, especially those linked to the fabled city of Amenti. More on that below. Number 2, hidden structures inside the pyramids. Evidence of multiple sealed chambers, tunnels, and taps, blocked passages, within Khafre's and Khufu's pyramids. Discovery of erosion patterns on the Great Pyramid suggesting it was exposed to water, possibly from a flood or rising sea levels 10,500 BCE or earlier. Signs that previous intrusions occurred, e.g. Soviet-era camera film found. 3. Mathematical and symbolic codes found architectural and numerical symbolism in the Valley Temple near the Sphinx, including numbers 37 and 1, which hint at 137, a fundamental number in quantum physics, the fine structure constant. 432 appears through number theory, sigma function on 371, connected to sacred geometry and cosmic resonance. These codes may point to deliberate design linking spiritual rebirth, immortality, and higher knowledge. 4. The role of Thoth and ancient texts. The deity Thoth is presented as the architect behind Giza's design, a spiritual engineer. Researchers re-evaluate the emerald tablets of Thoth using linguistic analysis on mysterious phrases. Translations link phrases to concepts like temple of the spirit, cutting ties with matter, and forging divine spirit. 5. City of Amenti, myth or map. Evidence suggests Giza's underground holds the legendary city of Amenti, referenced in the Book of the Dead, the pyramid texts, emerald tablets. SAR imaging revealed 2 enormous space-like underground chambers matching Amenti descriptions, vast, hidden, and ancient. Amenti is symbolically linked with death, rebirth, and divine initiation. 6. Spiritual architecture. The layout of Giza is interpreted as a spiritual journey. East, Sphinx equal birth. West, Kefren and Amenti, of death, back to east, rebirth. The idea matches Egyptian duality and as above, so below principles. Supporting evidence. Photographic analysis, historical maps, drone footage, and satellite imaging support the new underground layouts. Echoes earlier studies by Luis Alvarez, 1967, and the Scan Pyramids project, but with higher resolution tech. Conclusion. This is possibly the most profound shift in Egyptological understanding in decades. The Giza Plateau may conceal a designed legacy of advanced knowledge, engineered to awaken future civilizations.
I found the part about the 137 and the 432 pretty fascinating, and I wanted to know more about how they actually came to the conclusion that these were there, and then to ask GPT to explain why these numbers are significant. So here we go with that.
Numerical symbolism found in the Valley Temple. During the March 16, 2025 press conference, the researchers Malanga, Biondi and Mei presented compelling evidence of architectural encoding within the Valley Temple near the Sphinx. This wasn't just about measuring stone blocks. They analyzed the proportions, spatial layout, and symbolic inscriptions, correlating them with advanced numerical and mathematical patterns. Numbers 37 and 1, not random, but intentional. The team identified the recurring presence of the numbers 37 and 1. While on the surface these may appear mundane, when examined through number theory and symbolic mathematics, they lead directly to two deeply significant constants. 137, the fine structure constant. By linking 1 and 37, they referenced 137, a number long associated with the fine structure constant in quantum physics. What is it? The fine structure constant, slot 137, governs the strength of electromagnetic interaction between elementary charged particles like electrons and photons. Why is it strange? Physicists, including Feynman and Pauli, have called 137 a magic number. It's dimensionless, showing up universally across atomic physics. No one truly knows why it has that specific value, but it appears to be hard-coded into the fabric of reality. Implication at Giza: if this number is encoded into the architecture, it suggests the builders had knowledge of quantum-level constants, millennia ahead of modern science. A 432, harmonic resonance and cosmic order. Through a number theory function called the sigma function, the researchers explored the divisors of 371, another number discovered during measurements. The sum of these divisors is 432. Why does 432 matter? And 432 Hertz is often cited as the natural frequency of the universe, aligning with human consciousness and planetary resonance. It's found in Vedic texts, Stonehenge, Babylonian calendars, and even the radius of the sun in miles, 432,000. Musicians and mystics consider it a healing frequency deeply connected to cosmic harmony and sacred geometry. Symbolism, rebirth, immortality, and higher consciousness. When viewed together, 137 quantum law and 432 cosmic harmony may indicate that the ancient designers encoded both physical and metaphysical knowledge into the stone. This links back to ancient Egyptian themes of spiritual rebirth, transcending the body, initiation into divine knowledge, immortality through alignment with universal order. It suggests Giza may not just be an ancient cemetery, but a vibrational map designed to encode and transmit knowledge across ages, a sacred interface between human consciousness and the cosmic field.
And so it's pretty impressive what this team is finding already. And we can only imagine if more people came in and, there were even more resources dedicated to this, what we could actually discover there, which could change our understanding of our own history and even how we go forward. After all, a lot of people believe the pyramids have an energetic component that could teach us a lot about how we might be able to use energy today. And I will try to keep on any other big breaking stories regarding this subject, as I do find it fascinating as well. So stay tuned for that. Until then, let's keep exploring these uncharted realms with curiosity, open minds, discernment, of course, but in a state of play.